Hey folks, today is December the 11th. It's currently about 7:17 in the afternoon, and we're going to look at doing our Agimat EA week number 27 update review. And as you guys have requested, I'll most likely let this go until week number 30 for the older EA version, and we'll let the newer EA version go until week number 20 or 30, one of the two, just depending on how things go with it. Have not had a chance to check on the results for the week, so we can check on that together here. Alright, so Agimat EA, the old version, is definitely pushing up nicely. Equity curve is looking good and is currently at 17.62%. And as we come down here, we can look at the new updated version, and it's currently up 13%. Equity curve is likewise looking just as good. And it looks like our new version is starting to catch up here. I believe we started this one. We'll take a look. Let's see when we started this. 6-1. All right, so we started the new updated version 2 months after we started the old version. And it's actually starting to catch up here. So it'll be interesting to see if the new version is actually able to overtake the previous version before we end our test on the old updated version here. All right, anyway, let's go ahead and jump in, see exactly what the old version did this week. All right, so it was a bit of a slow week, and as you guys can see, 0.42%, but as always, anything in the green is a good week to me. And we definitely have some drawdown going into the weekend, so we'll take a look at that. But overall, right now, for the month of December, we're currently up 1.81%. And again, we're about 2 weeks away from Christmas here, so I expect things to continue to be slow. So this is expected. So even, like I said, 0.42%, I'm happy to see it. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the new EA, or the new updated version of the EA, I should say. All right, so this week, the new updated version of the EA returned 1.09%. All right, so the new updated version definitely did a bit better than the old version. And as I stated earlier, we're up 13.01%. Definitely have some trades open going into the weekend, as we can see here. We'll take a look at that momentarily. All right, so at this point for December, we're up 2.01%. And I'm going to let this continue to run all through December, as well as New Year's week. And we'll just keep watching it and see exactly what happens. All right, let's go ahead and jump back. All right, before we jump into the actual MT4 account, as always, I like to take a look at the Forex Factory, see what news we've had this week. And this week, we actually did not have much news at all. So not a lot to go over here. As you guys can see, not a lot of red high impact news. And this is a rate statement here. And we got main refinance rate. Press conference there. I believe we do trade with the new version. Actually, with the old version as well. I'm pretty sure we trade the Euro USD. We can take a look at that in a minute. But yeah, not a whole lot this week to hinder us in any way, shape, or form with whipsaws and the like. So let's go ahead and jump in. And we can start out with the older version first here. All right, so as I mentioned earlier, we do have several trades open going into the weekend. As you can see, we're down $477 right now in open trades. And our current overall balance is $5,880. And this was a $5,000 sim account. Let's go ahead and jump into account history. As I stated, this version of the EA trades Euro USD and USD Swiss franc. And the first day of the week was the 7th here. So let's go ahead and see how many trades we took this week. There we are. All right, so this week on the old version of the EA, we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, and most of them happened to be winners. We just had this small loss here, minus 26 cents. Just didn't close a lot of trades this week, like I said. You can see here, definitely have quite a few trades open going into the weekend. So hopefully next week, a lot of these will close out in our favor. We'll just have to be patient and see what happens. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the new updated version of the EA. And as you guys can see, our $20,000 sim account, we have lots of trades open going into the weekend here. And we're currently in the red, $1,142. So we do have a bit of drawdown, but like I said, in the big picture, this is a $20,000 sim account, currently at $22,000. So I'm not worried about that at all. All right, let's go ahead and get to the 7th here. Okay, so we closed out quite a few trades. And also closed out quite a few losing trades here, a lot more than the old version. But let's see what they look like. All right, so here's a nice win, $25, $19 win there, followed by several nice size losses here. $127 win there, $105 loss there. You can see a $324 win, which definitely helped us out. $129 loss. And then we're able to close out the week with a lot of smaller wins here. So definitely happy to see that we had all of these wins, including that one really nice size winner that we had. Where was it at here? Might have already passed it. Here it is, 324.72. That kind of counteracted those few larger losses that we took for the week. All right, so whatever the EA is using to manage these trades and do what it does, it's doing extremely well at this point. And we've been running this now for, let's see where we're at now. And I believe the new version of the EA is on 13 or 14, week 13 or 14, but let me make sure of that. All right, so now we're actually on week 15. So that means we have 15 weeks to go in this test for the new version if we continue to let it go that long. So definitely pleased with the results that I'm seeing so far with the EA. Let me see one other thing. All right, so this is week number 27 for the old version. So we're getting close to retiring the old version of the EA. And I'm pretty sure you can still purchase the old version on the website. Let me take a quick peek real quick. One moment. Whoa, just visited the site. As you guys can see here, coupon code 40% off. So if you are interested in testing out the Agimat EA for yourself, there's a really great code. December 12 is the coupon code, valid until Sunday, December 13th, it looks like. So if you want to try it out, definitely take a look at that. All right, so let's scroll down here. Let's take a look at, and where's it at here? Agimat FX Pro Forex EA. Let's see if it gives the option for us to purchase the old version or the new version. Let's scroll down here. All right, one-time license fee. So it looks like, yep, Agimat FX Pro EA. So it looks like at this point they're only giving us the new version here, which is fine. I just thought I saw somewhere where they listed the old version as well. And then again, it might have been where I saw Agimat FX 2018 version 2 and then Agimat FX 2020. And that is their manual system, I believe. So yeah, it looks like we get the latest updated version of the EA when we place the order here for the Agimat EA. All right. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions, as always, on Agimat, just send them my way and I'll try to find the answers for you guys. Definitely happy to see that they have a coupon code here for December that will give you guys a nice big discount if you're interested in trying it out for yourself. All right. And I'll make sure I put this right beneath the video on this page you guys are watching it on. I'll put it beneath the YouTube video and also on the website itself here, so you guys can take advantage of that. All right, If you guys have any questions, send them my way and I'll try to get them answered for you. If you guys want to test it out for yourself with this huge discount they got right now, make sure you guys click the link below and input the coupon code that is beneath the video. All right, folks, have a great weekend, and I will see you on our next Agimat weekly update review. Take care, folks.